Hi kitties, welcome back to my channel. So today we are taking a deep dive into the hair care routine and I'm gonna be sharing my holy grail hair care products for each step. So an effective hair care routine has 4 steps, but before getting into each hair care step, I want you to do 2 things. First, write down your hair issues that you're facing right now, and second, your hair goals. And now you will choose your hair care product keeping these 2 things in your mind. For example, if your hair issue is very dry and brittle hair, then your hair goal would be to add hydration and shine. So for that, I would recommend sulfate-free moisturizing shampoos because sulfates can really strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry. Now let's talk about the 4 hair care routine steps. So our step 1 is not cleansing but treatment. So there are mainly 3 types of treatments that should be a part of your weekly hair care routine. So first type of treatment is oil treatment. So I have one section in my vanity dedicated to just oils. So whenever I know I'm gonna wash my hair, I give myself head massage. I mix a lot of oils which I'm gonna share with you. It helps with the blood circulation in your head. So you must have heard about the rosemary oils, how good they are for your hair growth. And currently I'm using the rosemary oil by Juicy Chemistry. You just have to mix few drops of it in your oil that you're gonna do your head massage with. Then I have the Kama Ayurveda Bringadi Thailam. It targets dandruff, hair loss and premature hair graying. And my next holy grail hair oil is by Ordinary Organic Cold Pressed Moroccan Argan Oil. It's like a liquid gold for your hair growth. Argan oil is rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, and every time I apply it, it gives a beautiful healthy shine. And my last favorite oil is Plum Onion Bhringraj Hair Growth Oil. As the name suggests, it's good for hair growth. And lastly, I also keep castor oil with me because it's really good to thicken your hair. Since you can see I have very thin hair, so it helps to thicken your lashes, eyebrows, hair. So I'm gonna leave all these oils that I swear by in my description box. Second type of treatment is hair mask treatment. Once every 2 to 3 weeks, it's really important to use a hair mask before your hair wash to repair damage. It's to be applied on damp hair and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and then go for the shampoo and conditioner. I have 2 hair mask recommendation. Number 1 is the Garnier hair mask for dry damaged hair, papaya hair food. It makes my hair so soft, so nourished, and it also helps to detangle the knots. It is amazing, so nourishing. And my second favorite hair mask is by Plum. It's the olive and macadamia hair mask. It has been my favorite for years and I still recommend it. It makes my hair really smooth. Also, their newly launched peptides in coconut hair mask is good as well. Number 3 is serum treatment. Just like there are serums for your skin, there are serums for your hair which are loaded with actives to treat your hair issues. So you would see that most of the hair growth serums will contain retinol and N-again. These ingredients are actually developed by biotechnology, so I was very interested in reading about these ingredients. Ordinary multi-peptide hair growth serum also contain these 2 ingredients. I have finished this serum almost, but I can't say it promotes hair growth, but I definitely felt that my hair feels more thicker and denser. I mean, if you guys are going through hair loss, it doesn't hurt to include a hair growth serum in your hair care routine. I also use the Minimalist Malic Bond Repair Complex 5% hair serum with amino acids, argan oil and squalene. I used it only once or twice and then I did not touch it. Why? Because it smells so bad. It smells like a room full of medicine. Wasted my money on this. If your hair issues dandruff, and dandruff leads to hair loss as well, then I would recommend Plum Tea Tree Dandruff Fighting Scalp Serum. It's fragrance free and my brother has like finished 5-6 bottles of it. He has this issue of dandruff, so it really works for his hair. That's why I'm recommending this. I don't have dandruff issue, so I don't use it personally, but he does and he told me to recommend this one to you. Step 2 is cleansing, and choose a gentle sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo which will be good for your hair health and your scalp health in the long run. Sulfates are commonly added cleansing agents to create that thick foamy effect to your shampoos, but these can strip your scalp and your hair of its natural oils, leaving them dry, brittle and weak in the long run. So over the years I've used so many shampoos like pan Pantene, Sunsilk to Olaplex, very expensive shampoos, and you can definitely skip on the Olaplex. It's very expensive. It was good for my hair, but very expensive, not worth it. So allow me to share my holy grail shampoo, which is also very affordable, and this is the Plum, Avocado and Argan Frizz Control shampoo. So my main hair issue that I don't have much volume in my hair. I get frizzy hair very easily. So this shampoo is amazing. I've been using it for years and I always keep a backup of it. One more shampoo that I swear by is by Wella Professional's Element Renewing Shampoo. It makes my hair smell so good and also adds very good volume to my hair and makes them very soft. So step 3 is conditioning, which adds moisture back to your hair that your shampoo may have removed by sealing the cuticles. It will help you remove any knots and tangles that may have been caused by shampooing. For conditioner, I use the same variant that comes with the shampoos. Step number 4, last but very important step, is protection. Protecting your hair from daily damage that is caused by environmental factors. So applying a leave-in hair serum protects your hair from hair damage and it forms a protective layer over your hair strands. So it not only protects your hair from environmental damage, sun damage, pollution, but also keeps your hair very sleek and frizz-free. So let me share some of my favorite serums, and number 1 favorite is this Moroccan treatment oil serum. I've applied this on my hair today and you can see how frizz-free and sleek they look. Even when I'm traveling, I never forget to take this with me. And an affordable hair serum is Plum Coconut and Squalene Nutri-Shine Hair Serum. This one is much more lightweight and it makes my hair frizz-free, soft, shiny. That's why I love this one. And lastly, Ordinary Argan Oil, which protects my hair from heat damage. Whenever I'm like going for some hair styling or using hair straightener, I apply this hair serum. Just 1 drop of it is enough to tame my seriously frizzy hair and also give them extra shine. It's also very healthy. Argan oil is so healthy for your hair. I would highly recommend this. And yes, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna take your leave, but before leaving, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, you guys. Like 60 or even like 80% of you have not subscribed to my channel. It wouldn't hurt for you to subscribe because I have so many new videos, new content coming up this year about body, your skin, hair, everything. And I'm also gonna be posting many inspiring and self-empowerment videos, so please make sure that you give me a subscribe. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye kitties, take care.